Reminder once again, tomorrow morning at Laguna Terrace, you can stop by from 10 to 12, say hello, and I will give you a new House Detective magnifying glass. They really work, and it says House Detective on it. Now, if you're not sure if you've been treated fairly when it comes to buying a home for any number of reasons, race, religion, age, handicap, well then you might want to talk to Kurt Franke. We bring him back in for the legal side of real estate. This is a very interesting topic, and it goes back a couple of generations now, doesn't it?
Well, it does. It was in 1968 under President Johnson that the Civil Rights Act of 1968 was first passed, and that had provisions in it in a lot of different areas, but one of which was housing.
Okay.
And it was the first to really mandate by statute prohibiting discrimination in housing based upon, as you said, religion, race, national origin, sex, a lot of different categories. And I believe if anybody feels, you know, that they might be subject to that, then that's certainly a reason to talk to an attorney.
What would be a good indicator? What would somebody say, wait a second, that didn't feel right? When would they call you? What would you suggest?
Well, I think traditionally, and historically since '68 anyway, it's been when you suddenly can't get an appointment to see that house,
okay,
when there's a really big hole in the explanation as to why your bid wasn't taken or your offer wasn't accepted. And actually, the National Association of Realtors has its own ethics guidelines in conjunction with the United States government that sets standards for realtors.
Wow.
In the same regard.
Okay. So if you don't think you've been treated fairly and you're trying to buy a home right now, give Kurt a call. He's got a great website. Phone number, why don't you give it to us?
Phone number is 827-6100.
Okay. And the website, once again?
It's LOCAF, LOKAF.com.
All right. And Kurt's more than happy to sit down with you. And if you want to go through what happened to you, then it'd be a very good, interesting area to help people out with, right?
Exactly, and I hope this helps.
Absolutely. So it's locaf.com. Give Kurt a call. He can give you a little bit more explanation. Maybe there's something more to it than we're seeing, right?
That's right.
Okay. Thanks, Kurt.
Thank you.
Good topic.